size ink, different from your English ink pad. You can try that.
Dragons control water. It's really different from Western dragons. They don't really make fire, but they break water. And how to play the monkey? Yes, yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh.
Dragon.
Do you have it? No. But I can tell you how to get it. You look to the right, and next to the house, there was a horse made of stone. And it was next to a tree with cherries on it. And the horse looked like this, like it was just going to eat one of the cherries. The woman said, "What you must do."
Because I saw earlier that the crafts were like, because Carmen just came in to get me and was like, oh no, they need help holding up the dragon, like come out and have a look. And I just come outside into the playground at this building, there's the Studio 2, everything's happening at Studio 2. And they were just like lifting up this gigantic dragon, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna need to grab a pole. And we were like summoning the rain.
Yes. Yeah.
And I was like, oh, this is interesting. Then Adam said, oh, the special guest, by the way, is from that. I was like, oh, right, okay. Because I didn't know what was going on there, but now I do, and that's cool.
Did you enjoy it?
It was cool, yeah. I feel like I missed out the whole first bit, which is why we were doing it. But I think I've figured it out now, and I'm really interested in it. I like this whole idea. And you were saying that the whole kind of the point of it is to teach people about the meaning behind the real temple in Taiwan. Yes. Yeah.
你好。